Uganda Railway and the Gulu leaders. We should have done that to inform all the districts so that they all know what is taking place here. I am even surprised that even the old MPs of our region, we don't know what is taking place here. But I think not all of them. Some of the MPs are aware of what really happened here.
Then what about the Gulu market? How is the Gulu market? Who is producing the food that comes to Gulu market? I hear all the food comes from Mare, from Kabale, from... Why is there no production locally for the Gulu market?
Thank you so much, General and Secretary of Production. Personally, I went and made a serious survey in the market percentage that I can put there for those who are really here, things like tomatoes. Majority of them are from Bali. Things like cabbages, tomatoes, onions are being brought from Bali. Irish are from Cadres, those sides of the Western Uganda. Here, there are some mentality. First of all, our people here, they are too much in this food crops like millet, peanuts, and maybe other things like maize and cassava. Not knowing that there are other things that can be produced within a short period of time, and that is why our people are still very poor up to now.
So you are confirming that there is no production for the horticulture from here?
There is no serious production from here. I think by now making us really aware, I think we shall go back aggressively impart these information and these knowledges to our people. At least few of them they have now started adopting, doing the horticulture. But I think they were also coming. I remember when we went to Lira, we were invited, we went to Lira, this is sub-county, one of the sub-counties, and witnessed how the horticulture really improved their life. We also need to do it here, so that our people get those.